go ahead and start um start that trading that you've been wanting to start. Like, I feel like people in me as well, I was one of those people in the beginning, watching a whole bunch of videos, thinking that the videos was gonna make me profitable before I even hop in the charts. I am a trader of a year. I think a year some change. I can't exactly remember. I'm a trader of like a year and some months and shit like that though. And I can tell you this: I wouldn't be where I am if I didn't start. Um, as y'all don't like y'all don't really exactly know who exactly who I am and things of that nature. But this is ZZ Trades, and this is my channel. I know I dropped a couple videos before this, and I also have a vlog channel, and I make psychology videos and I make trading videos. I show here and there my trading accounts. I show the charts, I show the trades that I took sometimes here and there depending on what video I'm recording at the time. Right now this is a psychology video, and this is one of the videos just to let you know that you just need to start. And it doesn't even have to be with trading, it could be with anything. You just need to start. That is the key factor. And don't stop. If you stop, you're gonna fail. If you fail, that doesn't mean that you lost. That doesn't mean that you can't retry. You can retry. You have in this world unlimited times to retry, because time is infinity until you die. But you just need to start. Procrastination could be a big one. I'm even to this day when it doesn't hit me when I'm trying to get into a trade, because I'm very confident on getting into a trade and things of that nature. But and you will get comfortable as well once you start, you know, being able to understand the market and feel the market. But you won't be able to do that if you won't try. So just go ahead, stop watching those videos, focus on yourself, write your goals down. When you write shit down, I want to let you know, and I got this from AB Academy. I'm not even in the academy, but he dropped so many fucking gems on his YouTube channel. I'm like, damn, why don't I do that? And that's what I'm doing on this channel. I'm trying to drop trading gems for you to become successful. But you can't become successful if you just don't get up and try. And stop procrastinating. Write them goals down, like I was saying. When you write the goals down, write the date with the goals, so you will know how many days from that goal you wrote that down. And in about 10 days, I give it a take about 10 days, 12 days, you're gonna be like, damn, like it done grew this much in 12 days. I wasn't even expecting it to grow this much. Like yeah, it might be a little amount to somebody, but to you it should be very important, especially because you wrote that down. So therefore, if you wrote it down, it should be important to you for you to want to see it grow. So when you see it grow, it should hit you different. But all this resorts back to is, if you don't try, you won't be able to even experience that. My plant, I know if y'all come from my vlog channel, my plant be teaching me a lot of stuff too, like what consistency brings, new life, how me putting my energy towards my plant just a little bit just grows it. It's kind of like anything with life though, like a YouTube channel or a trading account, or just anything. Like if you put a little bit of energy towards it, show it a little bit of love, it will grow. And in order to track that growth, in order to see how much it grows, in order to understand how it grows, you need to write it down. And it might sound like a lot of work, but it's really not. Like, it's really not. Just write it down what you want to see grow, and give y'all that advice for the trading, because I understand how trading can be. I understand trading can be overwhelming. I understand how trading can be. I've been trading for like a year and a half. Got payouts. I done challenges, obviously. Done got passed. All that shit not hard. It's not hard. It's the psychology part that's hard. That's why I even invented this channel, just to spread gems to the people that need the psychology, because or just someone to talk to, because I understand how it is. And yeah, like, just try. Really, just try. It only takes one morning to get up, try to put to the test what you saw in them videos. You go to the you looking at the videos, right? You go to the videos, you're like, okay, cool. Like, okay, cool. I know what I'm supposed to do. I know I want to play support and resistance, blah 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 blah. And just trying to take it serious. You know, them people that you be watching say don't trade every single day, or you know, them people that you be watching might say don't, or you can trade every single day but only take one trade. And here you are still playing around and stuff like that. Like, you be playing around with it. You're not taking it serious. So just try. Just try. That's all I'm saying. Shit. I think that concludes this video. I'm gonna be posting more videos soon. I come up with ideas off the top all the time. I just, for some reason, haven't picked up my camera, but I'm about to get back into, I need to get back into that flow state of me just picking up my camera and recording. I do have a whole bunch of videos on trading already that I haven't released. It's May 19th. I got videos like a month ago, literally. I was making a whole bunch of videos on trading, and now I'm picking it back up, starting to make a whole bunch of more videos on trading, because I just need to pick up the camera and start talking to y'all boys. But yeah, if y'all need any help, any questions, if y'all want any proof, I don't care. I don't care to show y'all what I done accomplished. Like, I mean, it really ain't any of y'all business, but if y'all like really need that understanding, that like, I understand how to trade, and my information is valuable, like, for some reason. Like, if y'all should understand, like, when information is valuable and when it's not, through energy, first and foremost. If y'all not understand, but that's a whole different topic. I don't want to get into that. I just want y'all to understand that y'all are capable of doing it, and if you just try, and instead of just watching them videos, if you just try to just write down your fucking mistakes, you know what you did wrong, you know what you did right, you know what you're doing wrong, you know what you're doing right, you know, you already know, you just have to try.
Despair is all I feel. Sometimes I wish you just had killed me. Depressive thoughts of suicide, nigga, do you feel me? In life, I was so dependent on a bitch to feel me. Until I found my soul, bird by the universe, she didn't heal me. Nigga, this the real me, hoping that you feel me. These niggas cannot kill me. In love with flowers and trees, yeah, nature, yeah, that be me. Just see life how you see me. Just wake up and you'll be free. Fuck.
Shit, I've been free, but with all this hate, shit get ridiculous, cause they ain't me. Fuck. Align with the alignment, shit ain't no stopping me. Cause higher ups send me with assignment, shit I call it perfect timing. Bitch see me and see diamonds, they call me to hop on the beat and go ahead start that rhyming. This shit come naturally, cause goddamn I'm so inspiring. That's that love I'm talking about, so wipe them tears.